To teach children the names of farm animals, here is a list of some common animals and their names in French, along with some simple information. 1. Vache, she gives milk. 2. Poule, she lays eggs. 3. Coq, he crows in the morning. 4. Mouton, he gives wool. 5. Chèvre, she eats a lot of plants. 6. Cochon, he loves to roll in the mud. 7. Cheval, he is often ridden for rides. 8. Âne, he is smaller than the horse and carries loads. You can use images or toys to help children associate the names with the animals. It can also be fun to have them imitate the sounds each animal makes.